Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dore from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to talk about a short definition of native advertising. It's going to be a real short video. I really hope so. Guys, so stay tuned to today's video. But before we go into today's video, please do us a small favor by hitting the big red subscribe button just below this video, as well as the like button for this video. Only if you like this video, guys. At the end of the video, not now, and do not forget the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. Are you ready? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. Today's video is going to be about the short definition of native advertising. You might be wondering, hey, you have already talked everything about native advertising. What is native advertising explanation, native advertising defined, and all this kind of stuff. So remember, I said the word short definition of native advertising. That's because I literally going to summarize everything you should know about native advertising, and I'm going to keep everything very short, and therefore you should make a conclusion that this video is going to be pretty short as well. So let's begin, right? So the first thing is, what is actually native ads? It's very simple. Native ads is actually a paid ads, just like banner ads, push ads, and all kinds of other ads as well. So what is so different about native ads if it's just another form of paid ads? Simple again. Native ads is a paid ads which should not look like an ad. It should actually blend in with whatever platform they are. Facebook, Google, in-house, in-feed, blog posts, whatever they are in, they should blend in and do not look like an paid ads at all. But isn't that bad thing? You're actually cheating people, showing them an ad when it's not an ad. Don't worry about that. There is actually a studies proven that you cannot cheat people, and people definitely know that they are actually looking at a native ads. But the thing is, they don't care. If you have a beautiful creative, if you have a beautiful title, they will go ahead and read your native ads even though knowing that it's actually a native ad. So that's about native ads. So why do you want to use native ads, guys? You have banner ads and all these kind of ads, but why do you want to use native ads? To talk about this, I just need to talk about the history of native ads. Very short, very sweet. Native ads came in existence in the year 2012 because of banner blindness. What is banner blindness? When you have been seeing a lot of banner ads, last time banner ads was so famous that everybody will place a banner ad in their website. You go to any website, there will be banner ads. Even if you go to any pornographic websites, there will be always banner ads. And people have already developed a banner blindness sickness, which means that even though the banner ads it's there, they could not see it. And this happened a lot in tier 1 countries especially. But over the time due, the tier 2 country and the tier 3 country has developed this banner blindness as well. That is a major reason why native ads came into existence in the first place. And another major reason why you should actually use native ads is because with the native ads you will actually increase the purchase intent of people. As an affiliate marketer, what you want is you want a good conversion rate. Conversion means somebody is taking action. Let it be CPL, let it be CPS, let it be CPA, and whatsoever, guys. But people are taking action, which means most probably people are buying something, and that means that with native ads you will be able to increase your purchase intent, therefore making your conversion rate high as well. So that's That's the reason why you actually should use native ads. But what's the type of native ads available out there? Simple. There's four major native ads available out there. One is called the in-feed native ads, and this is an example of an in-feed native ad. This is actually a banner ads, guys. You see the banner ads is there, but most of us can't even see the banner ads. So when you scroll down over here, you can actually see these ads, right? This post, right? This is actually an ad. You can actually see the ad symbol here, but they will look exactly the same like a normal post as well. So this is called the in-feed native ads. The second one is called the shopping native ads. This is something that you can actually find in Google. For example, if you go Google, right, you go ahead and press like buy hoodies here, you can actually see all these pictures here, right? This is actually a sponsored ads, guys. This is actually a native ads. A lot of people will not know this is actually a native ads. If you are prone in using Google, then you will Google ads, then you will know this is actually Google shopping native ads, guys. So this is a form of native ads. So the third one is search result native ads. This is actually a search result native ads, guys. So you can actually see this is actually an original search result by Google, developed by search engine optimization and SEO and all this kind of stuff, guys. But this is actually a native ads, which is for search result, and you can see literally they have no difference other than this ad symbol. So the final one is called the social media native ads. This is very, very famous because you use it daily. Facebook, this is my original Facebook feed. Then you can actually scroll down. This is actually a native ads which looks exactly like my original feed. So you can actually scroll down again, again. This is actually a native ads. You can actually take a look at that. So it's also in my LinkedIn and every single place, guys. So this is how it works. So for example, this is a normal post. This is actually a native ads, guys. So how do you actually go and do a native advertising? Very simple. There's only three steps which is involved. First step is going ahead and choosing an affiliate network and choosing an offer within the affiliate network. So for example, if you go ClickBank, you go to the marketplace very, very fast, and what you're going to do is you're going to see all the niches here, and then you can actually see the sub niches here as well. If you click on any of these sub niches, you can actually see all the result. There's no offer here, all the offers available. So once you have already filtered all these offer, once you have already filtered the offer, there's few ways on filtering the offer. I'm not going to talk about that. Once you have filtered the offer, you're going to hit promote and your affiliate link is going to be generated. So you have actually created the choose the offer. So that's step one. Step two is going to be you're going into Landerize, and then you're going to build your landing page, guys. You can actually use any landing page builder out there, but we will be using Landerize because Landerize is an affiliate is a landing page builder create specifically catering for affiliate marketers as well as for affiliate pages, guys. So create a landing page in Landrise. And the step three is that you're gonna go ahead to a native advertising platform. That's like various amount of native advertising platform. Outbrain is there, MGID is there, Tabula is there, Rave Content is there. All these are there, guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose one of them and you're gonna build a campaign with them. And keep in mind that each and every one of them do actually have their own pros and cons. One is good in this, one is good in this, one is bad in this, one is bad in that, and all this kind of stuff. So make sure you do your own research. Personally, I like Outbrain a lot. I usually do Outbrain for most of my videos as well. You can actually see that. So choose a native ad and run your ad. So that's the three steps involved in native advertising. So one of the most important factors in native advertising is an external tracker. So we are using Volume as our external tracker. So let me just log in into Volume first. I'm going to show you guys. If you want to use Volume, Volume is actually in the description below as well. So once you log in into Volume, I will show you that what we have actually did with Volume so far. We have actually did quite some number with volume. So if you actually go this year, you're gonna apply, and you can see that we have already made a profit of $354,581.10 this year alone, guys. And this year is not even ending yet. So with volume, why volume is important is because if you know about media buying, you know that it is a data business. The more data you have, the more powerful you are. What I mean is that if you have more data, you can actually optimize your campaign much more easier. You can actually scale your campaign much more easier. You can actually profit much more easier. But with volume, you must let volume know every single thing. You must let them know what affiliate network they are using by creating an affiliate network. You need to let volume know what traffic source they are using by creating a traffic source. You need to let volume know what offer you're using by creating an offer. You need to let volume know what lander you're using by creating a lander. You need to let volume know what campaign you're running by creating a campaign. So you need to let volume know all this so that volume can actually keep track of all this data and provide you with sufficient data. And the final tool that we are going to use is called Antrax. Antrax is actually a spy tool. I actually attached the link to Antrax in the description of this video as well. So we was using Adiplexity before this, but now we have changed to Antrax because Adiplexity is like $250 per month. Antrax is only like $60 per month. It's much more affordable, and they do have a lot much more features for affiliates, guys. Really, really good, guys. This is where you can actually go inside Antrax. You can actually discover the titles, the creatives that people use for the ads, the landing page that they use. There are a lot of stuff that you can actually see here, guys. If you watch my videos on a live bill and everything, I will actually explain each and every one of these, guys. So basically, this is the short definition of native ads. I really hope that it was short and not long, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. On top of that, I really hope that you will take action after seeing today's video, guys. So that's about it from me, guys. Before I go, I just want to remind you, if you want to use volume, you want to use Landrise, you want to use Antrax, all the link is actually in the description of this video. And the best part is, if you want to use Landrise, the link actually offers a free 14 days trial as well. So before I go, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.